Mitram and Bandhuvam, welcome to South Asia Maps Education channel. We are continuing our presentation on Tamil Nadu, the fascinating southern province of Deccan in Bharat. And we have identified 11 geographic regions, physiographic regions based upon Dr. R.L. Singh's Regional Geography of India. And we are today talking about the sixth geographical region, physiographic region. There are 11 here. This is the sixth one I highlighted here, that called TamilNadu Hills. This is the sixth region. This is the part 13 of TamilNadu series. Part 13 of TamilNadu series. And there are political maps, administrative maps, just lines about the district, sub-districts, taluks and tehsils on. Then we have the cultural maps doing the cultural historical regions. Then we have geographic, physiographic maps about the rivers, the plains, the mountains, the plateaus. This here, the emphasis is on physiographic aspect of the presentation. They overlap most of the time. So this is the cultural map. We can say the Chennapatnam, Madras, the capital, on the seaboard Ganga Sagar, surrounded by historic Chengalpattu district, Kanchipuram, and further surrounded by bordered by Arakkadu region, north Arcot, Vellore, south Arcot, Kadalur, that is the south of Pondicherry, and north of Kaveri river we have Baramahal historic district, Dharmapuri, Salem, Krishnagiri, Namakkal region now, the delta region, Tanjavur and Tiruchirappalli, and Kongu territory, Coimbatore, Yelagiri, so on, south of Vaigai river, the Madurai region, and further south Paligar region, Palankar region, Tirunelveli. Excuse me for my allergies. Mitram and Bandhuvam, if you are new to our presentations, you can go to South Asia Maps Reddy, and I have already posted more than 350 or so meticulously made presentations. You can just listen to them and you will get a very deeper understanding of very diverse topics: Indology, human geography, human ecology, culture, history, and rivers, and so many different knowledge branches. And this is, you are aware, we are in this TamilNadu series, the land of Alvars, mighty Chola emperors, and Rajarshi Serfoji Bhonsle of Maratha kingdom of Tanjavur, who passed away 1832 or so, and the great poet Subramanya Bharati. I am going to post initially 18 presentations. This is actually 18 because I have a type of 2 here 2 times. The present part is about TamilNadu Hills. Again, this should be reversed part also. I forgot to change this. This is the TamilNadu Hills we are going to look at today. And excuse me. So the TamilNadu Hills, physiographic region, yeah. And what are the boundaries of this physiographic region? This, you see the TamilNadu Hills here, the yellow color. The boundaries are, these are the Eastern Ghats mostly. Even TamilNadu Hills are also part of Eastern Ghats, little detached. This is the Eastern Ghats, and Turpu Kanmalu or Purbiya mountains, and this is the Mettur region, Vellore region we discussed before. These are the Chitteri hills will be there somewhere here. This is the Payangat region, that is the Carnatic region, that is the Carnatic music that is emanating from Tanjavur area. Carnatic is not Karnataka province, that is different. Carnatic equals to essentially Tanjavur area and surrounding area, how you interpret it. So this is the Carnatic region, and this is the Palar Punniyar basin. This is the Kaveri delta and valley. These are the and Nadu uplands. This is our point of interest, that is the Tamil Nadu hills. What are the rivers here? There is a Nagari river here coming from Nagari region, that is southern part of Siddhi district, Rayalaseema of Andhra Pradesh and Simandhra Pradesh, and we have Kortalaya river also comes from that region. Famous Satyamurti Dam is there. This is in the historic Chengalpattu region or Kanchipuram region or Tiruvallur region, and we also have here the upper regions of the Palar and Poniyar river also goes here. Palar river, Poniyar river. There is one more river I have not represented, that is called North Vellore. Somewhere here near Kadalur, it joins the Ganga Sagar near Kadalur. Kadalur will be somewhere here. This is the Kadalur will be here, the further south, that is the Vellore river. And three further regions we can identify here in this the mountain region. We see the Javadi mountains, Shevroyan mountains, Kolli Pachhi mountains. South of near Vaigai also there are mountains, SiriMalai, Karandamalai, that is south of Kaveri river. I have not shown here, not to complicate and show those things I have mentioned here. What is this mountains and hills? How do you remember? I will give you very easy area. See, this is the seaboard. You can think about zero means the Madras city, Tanja, this is Karaikal, though will be around about 5 or 10 meters. Which part of the city we will be talking? So the 10 meters. Entire this Carnatic region is below 150 meters. This is the Carnatic region, the Payangat region, 150. And because this is the upland, this is the Congo upland, Madurai upland should be little more. You can say 300 to 400, even 450. That is a broader area. So upland regions, the Payangat lowland regions, the seaboard. Remember Tirupati, the famous shrine of Balaji Venkateshwara. The town is on the valley close to the Palkonda mountains, that is around about 250. The term when say people is a broadly interpreted Tirupati. Actually the shrine of the Lord resides in the mountains. You have to climb the mountains. That mountain itself is round about, that area is 1000 meters. You say 1 kilometer. That means 250 meters you are jumping round about 750, reaching the shrine, that is 1000 meters. That means almost, remember, 1 kilometer. The Balaji Venkateshwara, the Lord Vishnu, lives 1 kilometer about us. That's the easiest way. The same thing, say Jolarpettai. Jolarpettai is close to the Javadi hills. The famous railway junction Tiruputtur Jolarpettai is round about the same 250 or so. And you climb, our former British made a residency on the Bangalore plateau, established enlarged the town Bangalore. That itself is almost around about 1000 meters. Which part of Bangalore again is a lot of regions, right? Mostly people take the railway stations or something like that. Around about Yeshwantapura railway station, maybe it's around about 1000 meters. That means Jolarpettai to Bangalore 1000 meters. Tirupati town to the hill shrine 1000 meters. So that is the broad area you should get in a very good picture. Remember, Everest mountain is 8.8 kilometers above mean sea level. Not exactly, but I am giving a broad area. If you keep that mind, anything hills will be, it should be around about 1000 meters. That's what the introduction is. The Javadis is round about. The Javadis, Yelagiris. How these mountains differ again, which is the peak. Sometimes people talk of the peaks and the general mountains. So again there is a difference. So here we are talking about the peaks. Javadis 1175, Yelagiris little less. Shevroyans, where Yarakud hill station resides, is very 1628. That is the Yarakud itself around about 1500 or so. Then the Chitteris is 1200, Kalrayan's 1200, Kolli Pachhi 1400, and Pachhi Malai, Kolli Malai 1400, and SiriMalai, Karandamalai 1600, some peaks. So above 1000 meters, you can generally remember a broad area of hills. That will give you very good broad idea. I tried to give you broader perspective. This is the very good atlas, Squadberg. If you are interested to learn about Mother Bharat deeply, this is the atlas you should always be referring. We'll be referring that, and you can just stop it and see where it is. You can search for Digital South Asia library. You can find it, explore it. Our point of interest is Madras Presidency, Tamil-speaking areas, 2 Arcot district. This is the Pulicat Lake, transition point between northern Telugu culture, southern Tamil cultures, Chengalpattu historic district of Kanchipuram, and Salem Baramahal to excuse me, the Delta districts, and Coimbatore, Madurai, Tirunelveli. These 10 you can easily remember. If you remember these 10, if you are from Uttar Bharat, you can be considered a very good articulate presenter of Tamil Nadu, where these things are. And this is Pudugai, Pudukottai range. And whenever you see the enclave Pondicherry, that is the South Arcot district. Again, remember, now there are 38 districts. We are only showing 10 for your easy convenience. These are the initial districts consolidated by the East India Company Bahadur, later inherited by the British Raj. When you see Pondicherry, that is the South Arcot district. When you see Karaikal, that is the Tanjavur district. When you see this island, that is the Ramnath district, the historic Madurai district. This is the Tanjavur district, and so on, you can see. And you can see this fascinating presentation. This is where you can see. So I will show you different maps, and so that you will get a very deeper perspective, so that I don't want to leave my audience just giving a little knowledge. This will impart you deeper knowledge. We are talking about this fifth part, right? And sixth part, actually. 3 in the Pine Guard, we covered Nilgiris and metro regions. So this is the sixth part. You can see the hills, Tamil Nadu hills. This is the Madras city will be somewhere here, and Madras city, this is the Pondicherry. We were talking about Pondicherry, Madras city, and you see this is the Karaikal. So this is the Tanjavur district. You can very easily get it. And the seaboard, 0 meters, and Jolarpeta will be somewhere here. This is the Yelagiris, this is the Javadis. Western part is Yelagiris or Yelagiris, and you see this is the Chitteris, Shevrayans, and this is the Kalrayan hills. Then here Kolli hills. Namakkal means remember Kolli. Perambalur district, remember Pachhi. Kolli, Pachhi, Namakkal, Perambur district. This is the Karaikal. Further south, this is the Vaigai river, right? The Madurai will be here. This is SiriMalai, Karandimalai. Dindigal will be somewhere here. So as we discussed, Jolarpeta will be around about 250 or so. I don't remember exactly, but Tirupati is around about 250. That is in our CD district, Rayalaseema, Andhra Pradesh. You can see, you can mention around about 1000 meters. Maybe this is 1000, this is 11, whatever it may be. You can look at the previous part, and this is around more than 1000. Important point is this is the Shevrayans, that is 1600, where Yerakudu resides. You can see those parts, and when you see Madurai, remember SiriMalai. Further north is Karandamalai. North of the sacred Kaveri river is Pachimalai, and Kolli. Kollis are near Namakkal, and Pachhi is Perambalur. And this is the Kalrayans and Shevrayans, Chitteris and Shevrayans and Kalrayans and Yelagiris, and these are the hilly regions we are talking about. Same things we are trying to show here to our audience. This is the Javadis and Yelagiris. This is the Ponier river. You can see the Palar river here, Ponier river here. And south of Ponier, this is the Chitteris, this is the Shevrayans and the Kalrayans here. Then there is a river called Vellore river here. So south of Vellore river, you can see the Kollis and Pachis here. This is the Kaveri river. This is the Mettur dam, you can see. This is the Vaigai river. That means this is SiriMalai. This is the Karandamalai. And I will show you the town so that it will be little more comfortable. You can see. We'll see the towns. So this is the towns. This is the Vellore will be somewhere here. I should show. Yeah, this is the Shevrayans and Chitteris, Shevrayans and Kalrayans here, and Pachhi and Kolli here. Okay, and we see the Madurai, this is SiriMalai, Karandamalai. You can see them. This is the Vellore. That means this is the Javadis. This is the Yelagiris, and this doesn't have any pictures, but is a very beautiful map. I really like it. The falling rains. I found it and I saved it. Here you can see broad ideas. Northern part Javadi group, the central part Shevroyan groups, this is the Pachhi group, this is the SiriMalai, Karandamalai, because this is the Madurai town, sacred city of Madurai, and Meenakshi resides there. And this is SiriMalai, this should be Dindigal, this is Karandamalai, this should be Tiruchirappalli because this is the Kaveri river, and further south this should be Tanjavur, and this is the Bhavan, E-Road, actually the major railway junction, E-Road. And north of Kaveri is Kolli hills, Namakkal town will be here. This is the Pachhi hills, Perambalur will be here. Because this is the Salem, that is south of Shevroyan mountains, Salem, Yarakud will be here. This is the Chitteris, Shevroyans, and this is the Kalrayans. Kallakurichi town will be here. And Kallakurichi town, and this is the Attur gap, he'll be here. This is the Javadis, this is the Yelagiris. Jolarpeta is the junction, will be here. Jolarpeta junction, he's here, it goes, the train goes from there. Jolarpeta, and this is the Vellore will be here. This is the Chennapatnam, this is the Bangalore plateau. Bangalore is 1,000 meters. These are almost 1,000, little more than 1,000 meters. Shevroyans are around about 1,600 meters in the near Salem, Yerakud region. So you can see those broad areas, and yeah, we have already seen this map, I guess. And that's what in this presentation, Mitra and Bandhu. And I have made how this Carnatic region was acquired. You can go and look at the Madras Presidency folder, that is the playlist, and polygon regions also. You can look at it further. And that is about today's fascinating presentations. Hope you enjoyed listening to me. And if you like the presentations, Mitram and Bandhum, I really appreciate you take some time and subscribe the channel and bring this knowledge to the notice of your friends. And you are always welcome. And I love to hear your comments or any constructive criticisms or anything like that you want to say. And that is part 13. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps. See you later in another presentation.